Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen flavors and to another simple recipe. Now in this video I will be making this gorgeous mouth-watering, moist and rich lemon drizzle cake. It's actually quite easy to make with a few simple ingredients which I have listed in the description below, so let's get started. So I started by turning my oven on to 180 degrees Celsius. Then right here I have my loaf tin. I went ahead to line it with some baking paper and then to grease it using a little margarine, and once that was done, I set it aside. Next, I first combined my full-fat milk and cream and then added vinegar to it to make a quick soured cream. Now the tang and the thickness of the cream will elevate the taste and texture of my cake to another level. Now, to make the cake batter, I start by adding all the wet ingredients to a large mixing bowl: the eggs, sugar, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and the soured cream. I'm using my hand mixer to give it a good whisk for about 45 seconds to a minute. Next, I'm going in with my dried ingredients, some salt, some sifted baking powder, and sifted all-purpose flour. Alright, go ahead and give it a good whisk until the batter is smooth. Banangelinda ko. I forgot to add the lemon zest. I'm doing that right now and then going back to whisking. So as you can see at this point, my batter is nice and silky smooth, and I'm going ahead to pour it into my prepared loaf tin like so, and then to pop the tin into my preheated oven to bake for 50 minutes. Kati, while the cake is baking, we're going to make the drizzle for the top of the cake. I added 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to icing sugar, then start to combine and then set it aside. Next, we're going to prep the sugared lemon juice by whisking together 3 tablespoons each of sugar and lemon juice until the sugar is dissolved. Now, soaking this juice into the cake when it's done is what gives it the authentic lemon flavor, so thou shalt not skip this step. Alright, so at this point, my cake has baked bulungi. I'm gonna let it sit in the tin for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack that is set over a plate. Here, I have a bamboo skewer, which I am using to poke holes in the cake. This is going to help the sugared lemon juice to soak in bulungi. Now, spoon all the juice over the cake like so. And again, this is what gives the cake its real and authentic and fantastic lemon flavor. Next, we are gonna just spoon the icing over the cake and let it run over the sides. Or is it run over the edges and onto the sides of the cake? English isn't my first language, oh. Anyways, this is what brings about that drizzle effect. So when the icing has dried, go ahead and slice up your cake into however many pieces that you want and enjoy it on its own as a snack next to some tea or coffee or fresh juice. My goodness, I love this lemon cake. It's sheer bliss, I tell you. And I hope that you will consider baking it at some point because you will not regret it. Thank you for watching today's video, and until my next one, may the good Lord bless you tremendously. Bye.